This OLG lottery ticket you can buy online, and it's quite an easy setup. You have to be in Ontario and you have to be eligible first and foremost. And you can download the OLG app if you're on Android through Play Store, and if you are on iOS through the iOS App Store. So we'll see everything, how to download, how to set up, and you can pick your own ticket. You can go for auto pick of the lottery ticket, and this is one of the most convenient way. I'll show you how anytime you have a winning, it automatically comes to your account in case it's a smaller sum, and in case of bigger sum you don't have to go through the validation process because everything is there online. So we will see one by one how this is entirely. Once you are on App Store or Play Store, look for OLG. Here I'm clicking on search. Once I type OLG, you see here OLG or OLG Lottery App Scanner. Once I click here, this is the app which you'll have to go and install. So let's go and install this. Complete account setup. If you want, you can add the credit and debit card detail right away. So for now, I'm doing a skip. The app installation took less than 10 seconds. Open the OLG app. You go through these 3 steps. Next, next, next. Select your gaming preference below. Default your homepage for easy access to your favorite game. So you have lottery and casino. I'm showing you for lottery. Once you see how it is, I'm sure you will be able to find the casino thing quite easy. So once you click here lottery, click next. Setup notification. This is your preference. If you set it up, any update you get instantly. You can choose maybe later. So let me click here, maybe later. And now you have come to the OLG app. You come here, click on login, and then you get this message. You will have to allow OLG to give the location detail, since one of the requirement is that you have to be in Ontario, and this is the only way the OLG app will know that you are in Ontario and you are not somewhere else. You can choose between these 3 options. I'm selecting only this time, and then instead of login, you come and click on sign up. Here, click sign up now. You will enter your email address and then go ahead. You'll enter your legal name. Middle name initials are optional. Legal last name. Then you'll create your username. Username may only include alphanumeric character A to Z 0 to 9. So you can create using this combination your username, then create the password. Here again instruction has been given for password. Once you do that and you create your login password and go through the authentication process, you can come back to the app and now log in using the credential what you have created. Here, select the option. I'm selecting this and then enter either the username or your email address. Any one should be fine. Enter the password and then remember username or email address and select I am eligible and fit to play. So here once you click, you will get what it means to acknowledge. I have already created a 2-step verification. So anytime I log in, I am given additional code which comes to the verification setup, and let me show that to you. Once you click login, you come to this page, enter your verification code. Here it says send to your registered email address. So you will enter that verification code here. If you're not able to get it, send a new code or learn how to log in with 2 SV. After entering the verification code, here I have kept it as remember this device and skip step from now on and then clicking submit. So here we are on the screen now, the OLG app, and you can see buy ticket. This is where any purchase you want to make, you can do from this screen. Winning number is where you can check what the winning number was. So right now it shows for Lotto Max. When you click on Lotto 649, it shows what was the winning number, and so on. When you click on the lottery ticket type, you will get to see the winning number, what it was, and the payout detail also is given. I'm not going into group play. Let's come back to buy tickets. And here you see bi-weekly, weekly game. You can go and click on see all. Here, buy online. Lotto Max, Lotto 649, Daily Grand, Lotario, Ontario 49, Daily Cano, Pick 2, Pick 3, Pick 4. All of these, I made a detailed video. You can check that out for you to get the exact explanation on what these are. When it comes to online, it makes your life so much easy. I'll show you how. Here you see Lotto Max. Next draw is Friday, January 2nd. So just in case you're going for this, click here and here pick 7 number. You can pick on your own any 7 number from here like this, you see here. So right now after you pick the number, you click continue. This is one option, or you can also go for an auto pickup. So auto pickup is randomly the OLG app will give you an auto pickup number, for example this one, and then whatever your choice is, you click on continue. You will see that detail here what has been picked. In case you want to edit, you can go and click here, and then you can go and edit. You can again, if you want auto pick, click here, the number would change, and that's how you make it. You can also go for clear all and then go for number picking on your own. Whatever your preference is, you can do that. Here I am showing, see, you pick the number like this. So once you have selected the number and continue, you come to this screen and you can keep adding multiple plays. So this is for play 1. Each time you pick up, you will get to see the subtotal. So right now it shows $5 ticket. When you go for play 2, say I'm clicking on auto pay, you see this gets added and the subtotal increases to $10. Okay. So you can keep adding like this. Right now I'm deleting play 2 and then continue. Encore is something which you get with almost all of the ticket which I had shown earlier. So when you add encore, you see you can play up to 10 times per draw for just $1 per play. So right now I'm selecting 1. The total has changed to $6. So you get to see what the number has changed. And once you have gone through this, click continue. Turn your purchase into a subscription. Here you have subscription option. Subscribe to never miss a draw. Subscribe to multi draw. So in case you want to go for this option, you select this. I'm keeping as it is. And here you see Lotto Max play 1, encore play 1. The total is $6 and subscription not selected. So if you do a subscription selection, you will see the subtotal different. Once this is done, continue. And then in case you want to add more tickets, say other than Lotto Max, you want to add any other ticket, you can click on add more ticket. And from this, you can select any ticket which you want to add. And it shows when the draw is going to be. Next draw is midday 2 p.m. ET for pick 4. So in case you make the selection, the total would change. You see here, I'm just going ahead and doing straight play, choose a number, auto pick, and when I go to continue, subtotal is $1 for this pick 4. Continue. I add encore here, continue. Subtotal shows as $2, $1 for pick 4, and I added encore. So the total becomes 2. And now when I continue, you see the total change to $8, $6 for Lotto Max, which also has an encore for $1, and pick 4, which has encore for $1. So total comes to $8. So this is how you can add the tickets. And then once you go to checkout, you have this option direct pay, avoid cash, advance fee by using direct pay, and pay with debit or credit card. In case you already add a balance to your OLG app, I usually go for direct pay, and this $4 what you see is a small winning which automatically got credited. So right now the balance shows $4. If I purchase anything up to $4, in that case I can go for the balance method. Here it shows you don't have enough money available in your wallet to complete this purchase. When I go back and say I remove Lotto Max, okay, now the total is 2. When I do a checkout and I go to my balance, the total shows $2 now, and payment will be completed using this cash what is there in OLG. So once I click buy now, the buy completes. Right now I'm not going for that. Direct pay, when you click here, you have these two options, either pay using Apple Pay or using your credit or debit card detail. So once you click here, enter the card number, expiry date, CVV code, and then you go ahead and do the purchase. Once you do the purchase, here you see my tickets and subscription. Once you click here, it will show any ticket you have purchased, and if the draw is complete, it shows as draw complete. If you have any winning, it will show as winner awarded online. So the $4 which I shows on top, that the winning awarded, and it's automatically deposited. And if there is no winning, in that case it will just show draw completed. This is a easy way. You don't have to track anything. Everything is online. And in case you have subscription, once you click on subscription, I don't have any subscription, so you don't see that. Again, group play is something which I'm not going into. And this is how you do the lottery purchase online. The best part about the lottery purchase online is that you don't have to track anything. In case you're going for a physical purchase, in that case, you have to remember where you bought the ticket, how you bought the ticket, and validation on up to you. You have to tell where you bought this, if there is any winning. For small amount, maybe it's not going to be that much challenge. You just go with the ticket. You get over any retail counter. You don't have to go to the same retail counter. Any retail counter you go and hand over the ticket, you get the money. Here in this online, the money gets automatically deposited in case there is any winning. So I made a detailed video on how to buy offline, and there I have covered every single lottery ticket. Check those videos. And with this OLT app, you can even scan the physical ticket which you buy, and instantly you will get to know the result like how you see on the screen.